Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about vitamin E and the causes of a vitamin E deficiency. So one of the most common causes that people are simply not aware of is metabolic syndrome, and this is something that can really reduce the bioavailability and the absorption and utilization of vitamin E in the body. And we know that metabolic syndrome is the complex of high blood lipids in the body, so high cholesterol, usually high triglycerides, as well as insulin resistance, as well as usually abdominal weight gain. So all of these things are factors that reduce that vitamin E utilization in the body. And this could be caused by increased inflammation in the body, also oxidative stress, and we know that vitamin E is really important because it is a natural antioxidant, and there's an increased trapping of vitamin E in the body with metabolic syndrome, and this is why for future research and more research needs to be done to really test what is actually happening here and that risk for that vitamin E deficiency. Also, for people who have poor liver function and gallbladder function and even pancreatic diseases, this is important to know that they may have compromised vitamin E absorption as well and may actually start to exhibit some of the signs and symptoms of a vitamin E deficiency. Also, when there is leaky gut syndrome and compromised digestion, this can also lead to a malabsorption of vitamin E. So those with Crohn's, colitis, celiac, and cystic fibrosis also has been known to be really common to have a vitamin E deficiency. Also, this is very common in premature babies. They simply cannot digest and absorb that vitamin E. And people who do not consume enough fat. So we know that fatty foods and the healthy ones, and this is something that I share in another video with all the best food sources of vitamin E, but healthy fats do contain that natural vitamin E. So for someone who is really restricting the fats in their diet, they can also run the risk of developing a vitamin E deficiency. Now, alcohol, unfortunately, also dramatically reduces the vitamin E absorption from the diet. So this is something, again, I've talked about in other videos. A little bit might be okay, but if you overdo it with alcohol, this can really run you the risk of developing those deficiency symptoms of vitamin E. Also, smoking does have a link with a vitamin E deficiency. So certainly, having healthier habits is definitely what I'm all about. So we have other videos to help you, maybe stress is a component and maybe you're wanting to get healthier because of different aspects of what's going on in your life. So this is why, I'm all about educating you about getting healthier and doing it in a natural way. So the standard American diet, known as the SAD diet, and it's called the SAD diet for a reason, is really, again, linked to a vitamin E deficiency. So eating a lot of fast food and not a lot of whole foods and those healthy fats can really deplete your vitamin E levels, and that's why it's important for the anti-aging benefits as well as for the antioxidant benefits of vitamin E. Getting on a healthier regime, a healthier diet, staying away from that SAD diet is really important for your overall health and your vitamin E status. So if you've got some questions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you've got some comments, please put them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video with someone who you know who will benefit from the information. And I truly appreciate all of your support, so that like and that thumbs up really is appreciated. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Janine. Please make sure that you subscribe and you turn on those notifications by clicking that bell, clicking all notifications, so you're always notified of my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.